Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Graph questions get easier when you track cause and timing, and this one is quick because the curve order shows exactly which process leads.
The graph shows transpiration rising and peaking before water intake does, so watch the sequence closely. One process happens first and the other follows after, not at the same moment. According to cohesion-tension theory, water loss from leaves creates the pole that moves water upward, so transpiration is the driver here, and root water intake happens as a response. That causal relationship explains the lag on the graph. Transpiration happens first, then water intake follows, matching option A and ruling out same time or inverse. Well done, option A. Scan now. Avoid rushing the graph's timing. Trust the given order and check the steps before choosing the relationship.